The solution to the equation 11 minus 5y equals to 1 is y equals to, it means you have to find out the value of y. 11 minus 5y equals to 1. Here, basic rule for solving any equation is take what you want on one side and what you don't want on the other. So what you want, y, but you can't take y separately now because 5 is attached to it. So take both of them on one side. So it becomes 11, take 1 on the other side. Keep what you want on one side, what you don't on the other side. So 11 minus 1, this 1 comes to this side, it becomes minus. 11 minus 1 and this 5y comes on this side, so it becomes plus. 11 minus 1 equals to 5y. So you can write this as 5y equals to 11 minus 1. You can interchange the places of all. That is possible. So 11 minus 1 equals to 10. So 5y equals to 10. So y equals to 10 upon this 5 goes on this side now. Here it is multiplied, so it becomes divide. 10 by 5, 5 1 the 5 to the y equals to